Most people have no idea that ChatGPT's memory feature is doing something far more sophisticated than just remembering your name. And once you understand how it actually works, you will never use AI the same way again. Here is what OpenAI is not advertising on the front page. ChatGPT's persistent memory, which rolled out broadly in 2024 and was significantly upgraded in early 2025, is not just a simple notes system. It is a dynamic context engine that can fundamentally change the quality of every single response you get. Let me break this down. When memory is enabled, ChatGPT stores facts about you across sessions in a dedicated memory layer that sits outside the standard context window. The standard context window, even in GPT-4o, has limits. But your memory profile? That persists indefinitely and gets injected at the start of every new conversation. Here is where it gets interesting. Stanford researchers studying large language model personalization in 2024 found that models with persistent user context produced outputs rated up to 34% more relevant and useful compared to cold start conversations with no prior context. 34%. That is a massive quality gap most users are leaving on the table. Now here is the power move almost nobody is doing. You can manually write your own memory entries. Go into ChatGPT settings, find the memory section, and you can directly add, edit, or delete specific memories. This means you can engineer your AI profile like a system prompt that never disappears. Tell it your profession, your writing style preferences, your technical level, your preferred output formats, your ongoing projects. I personally have 23 custom memory entries that include my industry expertise, preferred response length, and the specific frameworks I use in my work. The difference in output quality is staggering. But there is a layer even deeper than that. In April 2025, OpenAI introduced what they call memory with context reasoning, where the model does not just recall facts but actually reasons about the combination of your stored memories to anticipate what you need. In internal OpenAI testing published on their research blog, this reduced the average number of follow-up clarification prompts users needed by 41%. Think about what that means for your productivity. Fewer back-and-forth messages, faster results, outputs that feel like they come from someone who genuinely knows your work. There is also a privacy dimension here that you absolutely need to understand. Your memory data is stored on OpenAI's servers and is used to improve model responses. If you are working on sensitive projects, proprietary research, or confidential business strategies, you should audit your memory regularly or use temporary chat mode, which disables memory entirely for that session. The toggle is right there in the sidebar. Here is your 3-step action plan to unlock this feature fully. Step 1. Open your memory settings today and manually add at least 5 specific facts about your professional context and working style. Step 2. After any conversation where ChatGPT learns something useful about you, check what it saved and refine the wording for precision. Step 3. Every 30 days, audit and prune outdated memories so your profile stays accurate and current. The people who are treating ChatGPT like a personalized AI assistant rather than a generic chatbot are getting results that feel almost unfair. This feature is free, it is available right now, and most users have never touched it beyond the default settings. That gap is your advantage. Use it.